Well, happy Saturday, everybody. This is Chris with the Colorado Venture Channel. Today, we're just kind of goofing off. I've got the drone out, the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but I got like a new attachment for it. As you can see, the controller now is mounted on the bike. So I got like this little attachment for it just on Amazon. It's around 20 bucks. I'll put the link for it below. But check that out. But yeah, I got the e-bike out. You can see I got the coffee, got the music too. Be careful with the music, with licensing and such. But we're going to take the drone out. Today we're actually going to use the tracking feature on it. So I'm going to put it on tracking mode. I'm literally going to let it follow me around the block a little bit, then back to the firehouse. Not too far, just a little test. But I'm really kind of testing out just the durability of this as well. You know, because I already know how to do the tracking mode. That's no big deal. But we're going to have a little fun here, take off, and do some playing. Alright. We'll let it hover there for a minute. Alright, home point has been updated. Just want to do that. You could take a little look-see around. How fun that could be. Just gonna get it lined up here on it. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta do. It's got obstacle avoidance on it. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta do. Yeah, and then active track. Go. I'm recording, right? I'm like actually recording, or I forget to record, so not really that smart. I'm gonna keep it on level 3 on the e-bike here. You can see I've got it in the view. And right there's the drone. So I want to see how this actually holds up. But of course, I want to see how the drone is actually going to make it through here, and if it could continue to follow me. Hopefully it won't wreck. Look at that. That thing is creepy. Alright. Kickstand up is good. Yeah, look at that thing. Just following me. Alright. It is doing a really good job, and it seems like this little mount here is working out rather well. So that is cool. Make sure no traffic's coming that way, at least. I don't really care about that way. Man, this drone is just great, tracking at a decent speed. Right now I'm going like 15 miles an hour. I'm not going super fast. But a lot of times when I'm on a dirt bike or something, I don't go a lot faster than 20, 25 miles an hour on rough terrain. And really, you shouldn't go faster than 20 miles an hour on these e-bikes, I think is the rule on the paths anyway. Let's go up here and see how it tracks me. See how fun this could be. Go up here in the parking lot around. Do a circle. See if it follows me around in a circle. It doesn't have the side avoidance, so you got to be kind of careful around trees because it's not going to track you around really well if it goes to the side and slams up against something sideways. So you got to be somewhat careful of where it tracks, but this is pretty cool. Because you know when it's slow, it tracks easy, but I wanted to see what it does at some decent speeds here. That is pretty cool. I'll pull over here and put my gloves on. It is freezing. I don't know how cold it is, but what's up, dude? You're just a little badass, aren't you? A little badass. Let's see how cold it is. So now I'm like super curious. I'll figure out how to use the phone one day. Alright, how cold is it out right now? 28. Alright, it says 31, it feels like 26. That's about right. So it's below freezing, the wind chill, and then riding this bike with no gloves on, it's kind of insane right now. But check out Flake Shelton III. It's a little demon, man. Alright, let's see how he follows me down here at a little bit higher of a speed. And we'll see what if this thing actually stays on. Is the main test of the day. Alright, Flake Shelton is right behind me. Go Flake, go. This drone is so dope. I mean, look at that. He's just right behind me. Oh, Flake Shelton the third. So if you wonder where the third comes from, because it's my third mini drone. Alright, I'm just gonna be honest. I lost one time. It happens, my first drone. I lost it. And then my second one I sold. I'm gonna speed up a little bit here. I'm going like 20 right now. That drone has no problem buzzing me at over 22 miles an hour right now. Look at 21 miles an hour. And it's holding steady. Let's see what it does at a higher speed here. We're going 22, 23, 24. No problem at all. So cool. So yeah, I give it on the little attachment here, a little shaky, but maybe it's better that it's shaky than not shaky. Those new brake pads, by the way. I did get new brake pads. And there is Flake Shelton. Let's bring him in for a landing. Alright. Then just go ahead and bring him in. Alright, we'll go ahead and stop. Bring him in. Alright, Orlando. Flake Shelton III. There you go. Bingo bango. And there he is. What a cool drone. Can't wait to see the footage. I had you on auto. I hope I had you on auto. I know I recorded you. But yeah, check it out. It worked out really well. Pretty sturdy. It's got a really good lock mechanism on it, which seems like it fits really well. It goes on the e-bike just fine. So yeah, 2 thumbs up, for the first run. We'll do some more updates and see how it goes. But anyway, Haley, there's my coon dog. So I'm going to get back inside. Turn this off. But we'll do some more tests on it and see how it goes. But anyway, have a good day, everybody. I'm going to get in here and get something to eat and feed my dog. See y'all.